Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is ATHIRAH and my matric ID card is 2022663294. So today I'm gonna tell you about Bermuda Triangle fact. It coined by writer Vincent H. Geddes is 1964 and has been known as Devil's Triangles, a region in the Atlantic Ocean of the southwest coast of United States. The triangle is bound by Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and Bermuda. Earliest disappearance in the Bermuda Triangle is appeared in September 17, 1950, an article published in the Miami by Edward Van Winkle Jones.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SOFEA JASMIN binti Jamaluddin and my student matric card number is 2022628302. So today I will present to you guys shape application in Bermuda Triangle. So first of all, Bermuda Triangle shape application is a triangle, but unfortunately, the Bermuda Triangle isn't a right triangle. So the distance between Miami, Florida and Bermuda is for about 1042 miles. Meanwhile, Bermuda to San Juan, Puerto Rico is about 965 miles, and the distance from San Juan to Miami is about 1038 miles.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is NURELLYA and I will show you how to find its perimeter. First, let Miami as X, Bermuda as Y, and San Juan as Z. Second, the distance from X to Y is 1042 miles, Y to Z is 960 miles, and X to Z is 1038 miles. We know that perimeter is the distance around the edge of shape, so we can find the perimeter by adding SY, YZ, and XZ. So 1042 plus 965 plus 1038, and we will get 3045 miles. Next, we are going to find the area. Same as before, we let Miami as X, Bermuda as Y, and San Juan as Z. Insert the mass into Henry's formula as equal to A plus B plus C and divide by 2. So 1042 plus 965 plus 1038 might divide by 2, and we will get S is equal to 1522.5. Therefore, area is square root as multiple with S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put all the informations and the answer will be 444,523.4468 miles square.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am RABEATUL ADAWIAH binti Rahim and my matrix number is 20226616 and 52. So our second topic for us to discuss is about football. So here is the history and facts about football. Firstly, in football world, they have 5 football size. So in our project, we are using football size 5. Second, size 5 balls have a standard size because they are used for professional football matches such as the World Cup. And lastly, in size 5 balls are suitable for players all age. Size 5 balls also used for match balls.
Assalamualaikum and hello. My name is AIDINA binti Nizam and my student ID is 2022877418. And today I will explain to you about shape application about football. Football is the shape of a circle which is 2D, and also football is the shape of a sphere which is 3D. And if we cut the football in half, it will get a hemisphere.
Next, we have the mathematical calculation. First, we measure the circumference of the circle. As you can see, the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. So, for our project here, we use the pi as 3.142. So we multiply all of them. So 2 multiply by 3.142 and multiply with 11. So here is the disclaimer. Size 5 balls have a standard measure of radius, which is 11 cm. So that's why in the formula, the R, we use 11. So therefore, our circumference is 69.124.
As you can see at this slide, this is to measure the area of the circle of a football. Facts, size 5 balls has a standard measure of radius, which is 11 cm.
The third mathematical calculation is we measure the chord of the circle. How we create the chord in the circle? First, at the center of the circle, we create two radius that is perpendicular to each other, and it creates a 90-degree angle. Then we create a new line from the end of the radius 1 and the end of the radius 2. Therefore, the chord was created. After we create the chord, now we can calculate the length of the chord in the circle. So how we calculate the chord is we use theorem Pythagoras formula. In this slide, the chord is the hypotenuse. Therefore, we got the chord length is 15.5563 centimeters. The last mathematical calculation is we measure the volume of the sphere. As in the slide, football is a sphere shape. So, how we calculate the volume of the sphere is we use the volume formula, which is 4/3 pi r cubed. So, as you can see in the slide, the volume of the sphere that we got is 5,576 centimeter cube. The next mathematical calculation is to find the area of the piece of triangle. So, as you can see from the slide, we are using the Heron's formula. Step 1, we have to find the S. So, 11 plus 11 plus 15.5563 divided by 2. Therefore, we got the S is 18.7782 centimeters. Step 2, we have to find the area using the Heron's formula, which is square root S multiplied by S minus length 1 multiplied by S minus length 2 and multiplied by S minus length 3. Therefore, we got the area of the piece of triangle is 60.50. Next is the relation between the Bermuda triangle and the football. As you can see from the slide, we created a right angle triangle using two radius connected to the circumference, and we created a chord connected from the end of both radius. Therefore, we get a piece of a right angle triangle. Last but not least, these are all the references. That's all from us. Thank you.
I got no time to lose. 내 길었던 하루 안 보고 싶어. 라따따따 울린 심장. I got nothing to lose. 널 좋아한다고. 라따따따 울린 심장. But I don't want to stay in the middle like you a little. Don't want no riddle. 말해줘, say it back. Oh, say it through. 아침은 너무 멀어서 say it through. I don't want to.
Bersatu kita